Tattoo X Deal.
So, for today's video is another tattoo session, pero magkakape muna tayo. Then, palalamigin. Yan. Tuturuan ko kayo paano magkape ng mainit, tapos palalamigin. Charis. Yan. And last month pa tong video na to, so ngayon ko lang siya mai-uploaded. Ito yung aking tablet na nagkaroon ako ng problema sa tablet ko. Ang hirap pag wala kang pang-edit, kamay-kamay lang sa cellphone. So, nag-post ako ng X-Deal, ng tablet or phone, o kahit ano na pwedeng pang magamit. Pwede rin para extra storage ko na rin. So, may kumagat. And dati ko na siyang client. Marami na rin ako nagawa sa kanya. And meron na rin kaming previous na usap about sa isang particular na tattoo na gusto niya. And gusto niya ni X-Deal ito. Yun. Then, wala naman ako masyado nakaschedule nung mga araw na yun. So, yun, grinab ko na. Kesa nakatunga nga ako sa shop, may ginagawa ako, di ba? Then, dun sa original design namin is, gusto niyang padagdagan ng arc sa ibabaw. So, yun, dahil sa exceed to sa original price niya, magdadagdag si sir ng minimal fee lang naman. So, yun. Then, gamit ko pa rin dito ang Mad Kid Premium Stencil by Sarap Lester Soriano. So, sa mga gustong bumili is may available po ako dito sa shop. At bagong bote na po siya. So, mas maganda pa dito sa ginagamit ko kasi luma na to. And itong design ni sir is patches tattoo na mga linyahan lang. So, dahil nga patches to, partially, pinag-line edit ko siya isa-isa. Then, dinikit ko siya isa-isa din. So, inuna ko muna yung mga mapapunta sa kailangan na sa front. So, yan. Yung mga pang-background, last ko na siyang inilalagay. So, yan. Ganun. Dahil medyo saturated yung pagka-blue niya. So, yan. Inaano ko siya. Nililinis ko ng konti para mabawasan yung pagka-blue. Kasi, medyo kumalat ng kauntian. And kumakapal yung linya. So, yun. Binura ko muna konti. Para lang makita ko yung nililinyahan ko. Yun. Then, start the process.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know, but no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even in starstruck. Humble through opportunities, given despite the fact that many misjudge him because he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? Then I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had this
Up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with
And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next video.
The many misjudge him 'cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get